Sa bawat kanto, may bagong pakulo. Pagkain at lugar palaging bago.
Good morning.
Red Post,
Say good morning.
sama-sama lagi. Tara na,
Afternoon na
sumama
pala.
sa
It's
aming kwento.
12:30
Pamilya
a.m. right now. And we are preparing, me and Zia is preparing our things because we will be going out. And again, Paul went out early kasi nag-gym siya. So ngayon, susunod kami doon, going to the Station 1 because we'll be having our lunch again. And then we're gonna swim. And then what we're gonna do?
Go to shop again.
Huh? We're going swimming.
Go to shop again.
No, we're not going to the shop. We're going to shop tomorrow. Okay, because tomorrow would be our last day. So today is our last full day here in Boracay. So ayun. So after 22 days, see you. Okay, so after 22 days, we will be leaving tomorrow. Shh! You're so noisy! Okay, noise. Para tayo nasa classroom. See, stop! Okay, so here's our view. Let me show it to you. So like what I've said, today is our last full day. Because tomorrow we will be going back to Manila, so we have an early flight. Like we have to leave here at 7 a.m. because our flight would be actually before 7 pala kami we have to leave because our flight would be around 8:40. Yun. So today is our last full day here in Boracay and here at this hotel at Ipad. So we will be having just our lunch and then we're just gonna do a quick swim and do pictures, photo shoots. So yun yung last day na gagawin namin for today. So and also we're gonna go to the not go home. We're gonna go to Real Coffee. So usually on my last day, sorry. Okay, so on my last day, pumupunta ako sa Real Coffee to buy and to taste the calamansi muffin. So I haven't heard calamansi muffin for a very long time and usually whenever we are going out, nadadaanan lang namin siya. Pero I think bukas naman siya. But hindi na siya masyadong maingay ngayon, especially nowadays. Or for the past few years that I've been going here. Kasi before, sobrang sikat talaga nung calamansi muffin dito eh. So, yun talaga yung pambansang pasalubong before. That was like mga 10 years ago siguro. Whenever I'm going here sa Boracay. So, yun yung usual na dinadala ko pa uwi and pinapasalubong ko sa mga nag-aantay ng pasalubong. So, now,
Sister.
kasi nakabili na naman ng mga pasalubong si Paul and all. So, I don't think bibili pa kami masyado. But I will buy na lang din na muffin for them. So, for them to taste it. So, ayun. So, we will be going there. I think we will be doing merienda there na lang. If it is still open I haven't heard kasi na sarado siya or bukas siya. But I don't know. So, we will go there, we will check kung talagang same lasa pa din siya. But before, I super love the calamansi muffin here in Boracay kasi I think wala nun sa ibang lugar, only here lang. I think I'm not sure. Kasi dito ko lang siya natitigil. So, yon. So, we will update you what will be our agenda. Classic. Itinerary. Last day. Okay. So, again, this would be our last full day because tomorrow we'll be leaving, going back to Manila. Like, today is our 21st day here in Boracay, and tomorrow will be our 22nd day. And tomorrow is our flight going back to Manila. So, yun. Let's see what will happen today and we'll update you kung ano yung mga happenings namin on our last day. Okay? So, see you later. Bye! Say bye!
Bye!
So, we are walking now. Yes, we are meeting Paul. Oh, give me that. Later again. Finish that first. Oh, finish this first. Okay. Okay, so we will be meeting Paul now because I think he's done with his gym. And actually, usapan namin magta-tricycle kami pero naglakad na lang kami ni Zio since napaaga yung labas namin. So, what I'm gonna do now, kasi Paul will be having his birthday on the 24th of July. So, magpa-photoshoot kasi kami later. So, bibilang ko siya ng Crocs, ng bagong tsinelas as one of the gift or one of my gift to him. Kasi he will be having his birthday. So, that's why we are walking. We will be going to Crocs in Station 1. So, hindi niya alam na bibila namin siya. Kasi me and Zio is wearing Crocs. Yan. And Zio. So, siya lang yung hindi naka-Crocs. So, mas maganda na during our photo shoot, we will be having the same shoes, same outfit. Kasi, magpo-photos kami later. So, ayun, bibilang ko siya ng Crocs ngayon as one of the gift for his birthday on the 24th. So, sabahan niyo ako. Okay? Come on, let's go. A picture to the excavator. What's that?
Excavator.
What's that?
Picture.
Oh, picture. Okay. Smile. Smile to the excavator. Like this. Say hi to the excavator. Hi, excavator. Let's go na. Say bye to the excavator. Want to touch the excavator? Okay. It's dirty. Okay, arte mo naman, girl. Halika na. Let's find a garbage na to throw this. So I think we're almost near na sa Crocs and malapit lang doon namin imimit si Paul, like sa ano lang. What? Want now? Oh, hold it. Oh, hold it. Come on, let's walk. So malapit lang namin siya doon imimit. Sa may ano lang, sa may bandang Astoria. So yun. So, we'll update you there. We're finally here. Say hi. We're here at Crocs. So, dito sa... Ayan. Malapit sa Jonas. So, we're gonna go inside. Okay. Here. Just gonna choose one first. Yung gantong design na light color, meron kayo?
Wala sir, pero may malapit siya sa design.
Ha? bata. Sige, ito na lang. Tsaka... May mga panlalaki dito ko ate. Pang-adult. Pwede sa adult. Shh, Zio! Oo. May ito magkano to?
Letters number 495, 395.
Tapos ito, mas mahal.
495 na po.
May animal. Lahat ba to? 495? So yun sa kabila.
395 po.
Sige, ito na lang siguro. Okay na to, miss. Palagay na lang. Ha?
Dalawang frame.
Na ganito?
So dito,
Ah, ganun. Ito na lang. Ay, ang lalaki pa eh. Sige, ako na yun. Akin na lang ito. Nalagay ko sa akin. Wait lang. See ya. Current. We'll be meeting Paul now. And let's see what is his reaction on giving him this Crocs. Actually, first time niya magkakaroon kasi ng Crocs. Sabi niya sa akin. Hindi kasi siya before. Hindi niya daw gusto yan. Pero ngayon, Russian choice. Since I wanted for him. So, sana tama yung size. Okay. So, we will be meeting him at the Astoria. At Astoria. Whatever. So let's go there. Okay, so we are walking now. We will be meeting Paul. I think he's near our area na. Look, oh, Papa's there na, oh. Look, oh. Papa's walking. Let's wait for Papa. Okay? So yung binili kong Crocs is white. Kasi I think white yung gusto niyang color. Kasi minimalist daw siya. Hindi, ever since sabi niya before, parang nabanggit niya white yung gusto niyang color. So, that's why white yung binili ko. So, ayun na, there's Papa, oh. Papa's walking, oh, look. Run to Papa. Go. Run to Papa, oh. Papa's there, oh. Are you seeing Papa there? Oh, look, oh. Ayun, oh. Papa's there walking, oh. Look for Papa. Can you see him? Look, there, oh. Oh, look. Papa was there na. Gonna tell Papa to eat and then say happy birthday, Papa. Oh. That one, oh. Papa's there, oh. Oh, run to Papa. Come on, let's go run to Papa. Oh, have you seen Papa there? Oh, he's walking. Have you seen? Say happy birthday to Papa, okay? Happy? Oh, say it. There, oh. Look, Papa, oh. There, oh, look, oh. Look, oh, ayun, oh. Papa's there, oh. Oh, there, oh. That's Papa. Come on, walk, run. Why? Papa you will tell. What will you tell to Papa? What will you tell to Papa? Kaka-ice cream lang yan. May gift to you.
Ay, wow!
Say happy birthday to Papa. Hindi.
Hindi naman sa Manila.
Eh para sa photoshoot, naka-crocs ka din. Lahat kami naka-crocs din. Size 9. Check mo nga.
Thank you, babe.
Andyan yung presyo, ha. Bayaran mo na lang.
Ay, wow, what's this?
Oh, gonna wear Papa, oh.
Maganda. Walang
Sakto
green
lang.
lang. Ba't may diamond? Di, ano to? Bola. Ay, soccer. Thank you. Okay, Papa.
Free kasi, may dalawang free kasi bumili akong tatlo.
Ano, 5,000?
Ha?
Mahal yata.
Oo, almost 5K lumabas yan, be.
Alam ko ako na, Papa.
Bayaran mo na lang.
Date na lang kita. What do you want? Ay, wow, I love you. Happy birthday,
What do
Pa.
you say to Papa?
Wow. Say,
Kanina pa niya pinapractice yun eh.
let's go na. Huwag mo na.
Okay, so we're here at Sunnyside Cafe. So it's our third time here. So this is where we'll be having our lunch. Mag-pre-order ka na.
Pre-order na ako.
Gonna buy you a cake.
Wow.
Gonna eat cake here again. Say yes.
You want to watch?
May cellphone yung dala. So we're here again. So we're actually waiting for meron na?
Magandang spot.
Okay. Ay, sorry.
Check mo muna sir yung taas.
May yaran kasi gusto ko yung coconut.
Ay, hindi kita?
Gusto ko yung mga kasi pati
Okay. So we are waiting for our place kasi we wanted like sa taas na maganda yung place niya. So we're gonna order first. So we're going up na. We already have a table.
Andun ang pagsiservice.
Sandam. Sandam.
Ano yan?
ayun hindi ko ayun.
Hindi pa ata sila patapos eh.
Dito ito naman. Ayun best practice.
Ito patapos. Okay, so we're sitting here now. We're waiting for our order. And he is here. So this is the best part. And the best place here. Ayan. So as you can see,
Kayo comment.
ayan. Eat pancit! Pasta!
Yay!
Wait, we're gonna get a plate. We're gonna get a plate first. Can I have an extra plate po? Dalawa lang, dalawa lang.
Ayun, sa akin na lang yung carbon. Hindi na ako. O dito na lang.
Thank you. We're gonna eat pasta. Say yes. Yummy pasta and rice. Gonna eat it. There's more, oh.
Comprado mo.
That's not ice cream.
Oh, you can see.
That's not ice cream. Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Hold it. Okay, I'm gonna a picture first, okay, before eating. Yes. Okay. Complete na po. Thank you. Say hi. Saying hi. Okay, so we have a complete order na. We have the cream, ano ba to? Cream carbonara kineme pasta. We have a tuna salpicao, the mac and cheese, the omelette, vegetable omelette, and champorado, and banana shake. So here's our complete meal. We're gonna eat this. Put it there. Gonna take a picture. Okay. So we're just gonna take a picture and we're gonna eat. See you later. CR lang ako. Miss, pasabi po, paserve na yung cake na may birthday.
Surprise ko.
Dun sa kasama kong lalaki. Thank you. Is it yummy? Thank you. See you, Stan. Thank you. See you, Stan.
Ano ba muna ako?
Bakit? Grabe ka, be. Binayaran yan, be. Bumili ako.
Bumili ka? Wow.
Picture ka muna.
Alam sino ba kamain ito? Pwede kamain mo siya. Alipis, pwede na kami. Pwede na kami.
Okay, eyes here. Blow the cake. Blow the cake. What? Gusto niya pa. It's no more, baby. Gusto niya pa sindihan. I'm gonna eat that later, okay? Okay, say happy birthday to Papa. Say happy birthday to Papa. Check mo. So here's the Sunnyside Cafe. This will be facing the beach here at the Station 1. So we're done eating. It's just actually yung lunch namin combination ng lunch, breakfast, tsaka merienda. Because it's 4:30 p.m. na. So lahat-lahat na yun. So we're finding a place where we can swim. And we will be looking for people who could take us picture. Doon maraming doon, pipicture.
Please muna tayo, bago tayo makakita. Ano yung damit ni Dio? Okay? Wala yung pang-time na?
Meron. So we're here at Station 1. Here's the Willis Rock there. As you can see. There, oh. Saan?
Enjoy na tayo dito. Last moment na ito. Hanggang hapon na tayo dito. Nakatigid naman na tayo ng alam mo si Matis.
Hanggang 7 pa naman
Kung
magko-close.
nag-ahabol tayo, di tayo mag-enjoy.
Ha? Alis tayo dito mga 5:30 or mga before 6. Para pumunta tayo doon. Port pa lang naman eh.
Ano parang natinanap ko? Nag-video-video siya. Little fish here. You see that? Oh, this is a little fish.
Want to get it? I get the fish? No?
Hindi
Okay.
naman nakita eh. Ayun yun, dami ko lang yung lirit.
So yun lang. We'll be changing our clothes. See ya. Okay, so we'll be having a picture taking. And Paul will be using his Croximay. At si Kuya ang magkukuha sa amin. Kuya, kuhaan mo rin kami ng mga video na portrait na ganito, tas 4K. 4K yung quality. Ilalagay ko kasi sa YouTube eh.
Why am I so used to all this bad news? Why won't my troubles go away? When I'm the one always hanging on to yesterday. You know I try, I want you by my side when the skies turn cold and gray. Just lay back down, I'm telling you now why you should stay. You say you love the way I look into your eyes, and that you hate it when I'm late, and that you need to know that everything is fine, and I'm coming home today. Why is it so hard to let down my guard? Why do I always pull away when I'm the one who's always hanging on to yesterday?
Sia, go here. Sia. Hi. Let's go. Bye.
You say you love the way I call you every night,
Let's go
that
now.
you always feel so great.
Okay, so we're done with our photo shoot with Kuya Bangkero or whatsoever. Actually, ang gagaling talaga nila dito magtimpla ng camera tsaka ng setting ng picture. So, kaya ang ganda ng mga pictures namin. So, I think parang inaral ata nila yan. Whatsoever. So, bumili lang ng buko si Paul because we will be having another photo shoot na kami lang. So, okay, Sia, what are you doing? Sia, what are you doing? Are you playing the sand? Are you playing the sand? Okay. So, yeah. So, here's the sun. And here's the sand. And Sia is playing the sand under the sand. Diba? Shala. So, Paul is here with the buko. So, again, nandito kami sa Station 1. Dito malapit dito sa tapat ng grotto or the Willis Rock. What they called. So, ayan na ang aming buko. Ma-picture ka kay Kuya with buko? Solo ka? Sige, go.
Mag-ayos ako ng shirt ko.
Pang-birthday shoot mo, Shala.
Kuya!
Hindi, wait lang. Magkaan to ang buko?
120. Hindi ba picture ko?
Mahal? What's that? Taste the coconut. Taste it. It's like a milk. Okay. Taste it. Yo, go. What's the taste? Is it yummy? Yummy? One more? One more, taste it. Come on. One more. Ayaw. Hindi niya bet yung buko.
Play ka na. This one, play
That's
this one.
dirty.
Your toy.
You can put that here. Oh, another one. Last one. Bewa ka mo na ibigat.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall.
Okay, so we just bought some shirt here. Saan to? Islands.
Souvenir. One of the high-end brand here in Boracay.
Hindi to,
Hindi to putyo-putyo na
hindi siya pang Changuete, di ba?
Maganda yung quality. Saka yung design, hindi na nadudupli. I mean, yung design na...
So, ilan ang mga
gaya.
binili mong shirt? So, here.
Ito.
7?
Yes, for
Grabe.
Wala lang.
Okay, so we're here at Island Souvenir here on Station 3. So yan. So ito yung mga designs nila. Yan. So we just dropped by here to buy some pasalubong. Kasi if we buy like sa mga bangketa, medyo hindi maganda yung quality. At least dito, maganda. Because it's Boracay brand talaga. Oh, all done. Why? So that's why dito kami, dito si Paul bumili ng mga souvenirs for his family. Yan. Island Souvenirs. May gusto niya yung Jelly Ace. Wala na. Gcash mo na lang. Thank you, ate. Thank you, ate. Say hi. Uwi na kami tomorrow eh.
Magupit na ka ba? Dalawa.
Isa lang.
Isa lang daw. Di pwede isa? Hindi daw.
Hindi, isang ganun,
Isang ganun.
20.
Sige,
Bakit
20?
dalawa?
Ay, dito isang ano?
Ano ka ba?
Okay, sorry. Kabayaran ka na. Kailangan ba 20 ba?
Oh, hold it na. Hold it! Okay, so we're here. Si Zio kasi nakakita ng candy. So, we're gonna go now and go to Real Coffee real quick. Bye. Okay. So we're done with our quick swimming. So that would be our last swimming na, di ba? For this season. So, for this videos. So we are walking now because we will be buying some stuff. Like, it's a little pasalubong lang. And then, we're gonna buy. And we will be going to Calamansi Muffin. So we're gonna buy muffin there. So ayan, tapos na ata sila sumayaw. Tapos na ate. Si Kuyang sumasayaw. Tapos na daw. So this is the uptown. Uptown Boracay. Kaka-accent na ako. Be, nagwo-walk na. Huwag mo napansinin, be. Nagwo-walking ang bagets. So, we will be going to Real Coffee. We're gonna buy calamansi muffin. Actually, maaga nagko-close yun. So, parang 7 p.m. ata. And the time now is 6:30 p.m. So, lubog na ang sunset. Ayan. As you can see. So, naaaliw tong isa at naglalakad siya. Himala. Malapit dyan sa McDo, be. Sa McDo. Yung calamansi muffin. Ayan na yun. Ayan na, the Real Coffee. The calamansi muffin. There. There. So, naabutan namin siya. Let's see kung open pa. I think open pa naman. Kasi hanggang 7 p.m. yan.
Ika na natin tatawag, sir. Sir?
We're going up, baby, ah. Here. So here is it. Real Coffee at Calamansi Muffin. Kain ka ba? Gusto mo mag-dine in isa? Ha? Ano 7 lang? Pero pwede na mag-take out na. Take out na tayo. Ay, hindi. Bago yung ano, nakalagay dito. Magkano nga yan? Ayan siya ngayon. 440. 6 pieces na small, 200. So ano, isang big box. Hanapin mo ba lang? Kakalaan. Kaya isa. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go. Look, oh, there's a lot of pictures. Oh, look. There's a lot of pictures there. Come on, let's go. So we're inside now. Real Coffee. Cafe.
The plates keep coming. The plates keep coming.
Yes. No.
Sit down view. Wow.
So here it is.
There's a view. Wow. You like it? Hi. Say hi. Hello.
Isang hot choco na ano, palagay na lang sa takeout bottle. Tapos isang ice real coffee. Palagay na sa takeout bottle. Tapos, tig-isa kaming calamansi muffin. Dalawa. Yes. Yung dalawang muffin te, dine in. Bagong gawa yan te?
Opo.
Today lang, okay.
Bali, dalawang pa naman sila pinadali.
Yes.
Isang ice cream na take up, isang tumak naman.
Okay. May Gcash naman kayo.
Bro, ice cream take out.
Sa ano?
This one is the boat. Nagdadalhin ko ito.
Ito.
Sa Manila.
It's only a problem when you think about it. So, can you describe that?
Ito ano ba? Sige.
Kunyari nga nasa pageant ka.
Ito
So, ito yung napunta sa yung ano, napunta sa yung coat. So, it's only a problem when you think about it. So,
Lahat
ano?
naman tayo may problema. So, as much as possible, dapat solusyon na agad. Kung nag-overthink ka, always think about it. Dapat solution mo. So,
Oh.
parang hindi magka-problema.
How about ito?
Huwag na, okay na yan. Wait,
Ito.
ikaw yan.
Chubby is the new sexy.
Sinabi mo sa akin, di ba, yung first.
Oh.
Sabi ko, mataba na ba ako? Mahal niya. Sabi ko, hindi. Kasama natin si Luis ng
Okay. A good man is like a good coffee, strong and hot. Hala. Strong ka lang, be.
hot na ako, babe.
Hindi ka hot. A cup of coffee, a cup of tea,
Umubo? Umubo ka, babe.
cup of love for you and for me. Siya. So, ito ang view outside.
Ano yung kuya? Ice. Ice coffee.
Pwede? No!
Yung milk mga ano.
Wait, I'm gonna put this milk first. So this is our real coffee, iced real coffee. So wala pa siyang sugar at wala pa siyang milk. So we need to put sugar and milk on it.
Sabi pa yung coffee na ang chocolate.
And this one.
It's my hot chocolate. Hot chocolate?
Oo nga. Bakit? So it's 6:30. 6:36. And good thing na abutan pa namin to. So this is the syrup sugar. I don't know if this is enough.
Ay, no. Try ko yan.
Parang masarap na siya.
And Atitia. And Atitia.
So, gonna put milk. Pero punong-puno na siya. Paano?
Michelle.
Gonna see tomorrow who?
Ninong Maxi, Ninong Andre.
Ninang Ella. Ninang Rian. Mama Shell.
It's very
Uy! Si Ziyu.
What happened?
How's the taste?
Taste.
What's the taste? Taste it.
Lako ito na dinara. What's this?
different.
What?
Red,
It's yummy ah.
red.
Oh, taste it.
Ah, very good. That's it the last.
You like it?
It's yummy.
You like it? You don't like it?
Masi-masi.
Okay, let me taste it.
Yun parang bago. First time day.
Okay. Sarap pa din, as always. Parang di makakompleto yung Boracay if you will not taste this. Nakalaman si Map.
Check mo, ano no? 1996 ko talaga.
Here. So yun lang, we're gonna eat this and I think this would be our last scenario. Last scenario. Because we're gonna have some dinner na lang sa hotel.
Kasi mahirap. Take out ulit tayo eh.
So sa hotel na lang kami magdi-dinner since busog na kami. And we need to sleep early. Talaga. Kasi maaga yung gising namin tomorrow. So here is our takeout. Yan. So sinusulatan talaga nila yan. Made with love, Boracay. So let's see.
Baka mabasag.
So again, this is real coffee. So here is the calamansi muffin. Yan. Real Coffee and Tea Cafe with Great Minds Meat made with love. Okay, so pag kinain mo to, makikita mo yung love kasi it was made with love. Ata. Okay, so that's our takeout and that's what we will be our pasalubong. Okay. So,
Ay, kinukurot ako
we're
dito.
gonna eat now our calamansi muffin. Let's eat. So, we're still here. Ayan, meron silang palaruan. Buy your only toys. Oh, what's that? Careful. Look, oh, there's a dino toy, oh. Hi, dino. Dinosaur. So, ito yung buong Real Coffee. Kami na lang yung tao kasi pa-close na sila. Yan. Okay, magbabayad muna ako. Ate, mag-Gcash na ako. Anong...
Magbababay ka na.
So I think this would be the end of our video for today. So this would be our last day for today's video. But tomorrow we will be having a last video for our removal of the hotel.
You check out and remove.
Removal from the hotel.
Remove.
No, check out.
Ay, mabasag yan.
Check out sa hotel and going back to Manila. So we're gonna update you once we're there tomorrow.
So, sa mga brides ka, mga people.
So this is our
Busy naman si Red.
pag-uwi ko, work again. And sana maraming work. So yun lang and see you again in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Say bye na. Like, share, and... Oh, why are you sad? Happy. Happy face. Ulit. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I'm happy. Like, share, and... Bye. Like this. Bye.
Sumama sa pagsalubong lahat ng lugar. May sariwang alon, buhay na buhay. Mga kwento'y sumik sa bawat food